Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So here's what we're gonna do today. I got asked about, which I do a lot, always using stuff at home, what you have around the house. So we're very inexpensive. A lot of you who are just starting out, especially now that we're home, kind of more, staying home and trying to stay well. Here are a few ways to make your own background. To start anything that you want, you could do this and cut them into your ATC sizes, your inchy sizes. You can make it your background on a canvas. Use a piece of cardboard, which I love to do. Your brown paper bags. Okay, so think outside the box. Here we go. We're going to use the good old uh, food coloring. Okay, and what I'm going to do first is get a water bottle. Now, I've told you guys this before. I'm blessed. Sherry sent me these. I have a few. We're going to go with, I'm just adding some water because I'm lazy and I didn't want to get up, and I want you guys to see how to do it real time because you guys don't like my music videos. I thought maybe, wait, let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's start with 5. I thought instead of like the YouTube music, maybe I should just sing. Do you think that would be better? So you guys could watch a speed through of my video and then me just sing. Watch the speed through of my video. Here we go. Here we go. See, let me know down below. You think that's better? Okay. Just being silly. Okay. Now, I love these. If you have one of these drawing things, throw it down. These are all available at the dollar store or what you have in your kitchen. This is from, your kitchen cabinets or a cabinet. That's all that is that grippy thing. I have some punchinella. Some of you have it, some of you don't. We'll leave it out, okay? These. Now, if you have kids, you have to have these around. If not, the dollar store sells them, and you can get like sometimes 4 different sizes in a pack. I'll just push this. We'll go like that. We'll go like this. Onion bag. What? Onion bag. Oh yeah. Let's use an onion bag. And looky what happens. Give it a little tug, because sometimes a good tug is all you need. Lay that baby down. Yarn, embroidery floss, yarn, string. I'm gonna tell you a little secret about myself. This has a little wire in it, but of course you have, you can just throw your yarn down, or rubber bands, which I cannot find. I have a bunch. She can't find them though, but throw rubber bands down. I've done that before. So I have a horrible problem. I must tell you, I take the strings off of clothes, like if they're in the dryer and say your towel comes out and it starts fraying it, I cut them off and I keep them. I have big, I'll show you what I mean. Let me just show you. I'll just show you a little bit because I'm quite embarrassed. Come here. Yeah, okay. So this pile of delightfulness is string. This is from, I had washed some fabric. I had gotten new fabric because I want to make new stuff. And this is one of the things that just kind of came off. Just the ends. This is some embroidery floss that got tangled. Some fluff, some thread from sewing. So I have really big piles of these sitting around. I'll show you what I do with them. They're clean. But yeah, so I am a hoarder of many things. That is one. Okay, so what I want to do here is just kind of, again, you can lay these in any, whatever you want. And I kind of wanted a flower, but I don't know if she's gonna work. Okay, let's just put her there. We all have toilet paper rolls. We have paper towel rolls, especially for all of us who went out and bought tons of toilet paper. We have these sitting around. So these are fun because, they're fun because then it keeps your bum clean. But this kind of gives you a, let almost a rubber bandy look if I had rubber bands, which I can't find at the moment. So I'm going to just cut like this, just thin cuts. You can cut it thick. You can do whatever you want because it's yours. You know what I'm saying? And I can do these in whatever shapes I want. So I'm just going to add these in. I know this is ridiculous, right? It's not. It comes out really nice. Maybe we'll just leave him like all facaded, right? All facaded. There we go. And then, oh, don't mess on my thing. How many of us have these and don't use them? Me. So these are great because these have metal in them. So we can, I think I took more than one, but you can just like kind of roll it. Give yourself, roll it, roll it, roll it. We're gonna roll it now. Put that inside there. Oh, she missing stuff back here. You can cut your netting. I mean, you guys see what I'm doing, right? I mean, are you picking up what I'm putting down? Are we getting there? All right, I'm just doing that kind of thing. So now we have our spray. All it is water and food coloring. Now, I'm going to be asked, I know I is, can I use acrylic paint? Yes, you can. Can I use, you know, like the Liquitex, you know, acrylic that comes like this? What is it even called? Professional acrylic that needs shook, whatever. Yes, you can. Can you use your acrylic paint? Yes. Watercolor. Yeah. You use whatever you've got. Okay. So I give it a shake. Now I'm going to just, you can even use your acrylic sprays. Do you see what I'm saying? So what I'm doing here is I want to test it. Oh, I want a little darker. So what do? You go like this and don't waste, just kind of do like a little boopy here and there. I'm going to set him there. I'm using green because I can make green out of blue and yellow. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more drops. I'm counting. I'm not going facetiously. I don't know. I'm not going just whatever because I want to know like, oh, okay, I got this halfway with water. 10 drops makes it nice. Now you can go as light as you want, as dark as you want, add a little black. I mean, we don't have black, but you know. So I'm going to squirt. That's 1, 2, 1. Okay. Don't go too heavy. Maybe right there just a little because we want to see that real color. Now, what I like to do, is she going to do it? Because I don't know if she has paper here to do it. I like to, we'll do it with this back paper. I'm just taking this on the back. It's white. I like to give a push. Some people say I push a little too much, but hey, that sounds like a personal problem. Now look what we did. So any of the extra that's on there, it's on the back. So if this was regular, just printer paper or more mixed media paper, that kind of thing, I'm already starting a second page, okay? Because you know I'm a 2-fer, 3-fer, maybe sometimes a 4-fer. But you see, like, we're starting this deliciousness. So I'm going to set that over there. And then, and I still have more here I can pick up. But what I'm going to do is just lay these here and just show you the great look at that background already. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to dry this. Look, I'll get you off there. Okay, we're going to dry. This is food coloring. And it's also paper that is sketch paper. Like a sketch tablet. It's not even mixed media or watercolor. There's just cheapo, dollar store, here we go, yada yada. We're going to play kind of paper. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this and I'm going to lay it right in the middle because I want some more of that. I like this, but I don't, maybe I'll just do it right here. I'm trying to pick like parts that I really, really dig. Do like right here. Not worrying how much it's down. I mean, I can still see a lot of that on juiciness. So I'm just going to take this right here and juice it away. Give it a nice wipe. She's pressing. Oh, almost broke my nail. And look, juiciness. Juiciness. Okay. So that's going to be something you see. Okay, maybe we'll just do like that. Now what I'm going to do is, because I didn't mix another color because my desk is a mess. As usual, you guys always let me know. It's because I play and I work and I do a lot of things. I'm going to get another color. Let's do color U, Peony Blush. Just a Dilutions ink spray. That's what we're making, ink sprays. Okay. Ooh, look. She's still got some left. Oh, I don't want to. We're good. I'm not gonna keep playing. Okay, so you want it dry. Why do you want it dry? Because if I don't dry it and I spray on top, what's gonna happen? I'm gonna get poopy brown. Now, hey, you may love a poopy brown on your art journal page. Some people do. There's nothing wrong with you. Enjoy the poopy brown. Me, I don't want the poopy brown. So I'm going in. I am putting my numbers and all backwards because that's just how I roll. Oh, poop, I forgot up here. Let's do a little bit of this and a little bit of that. I love, can you see here how we got like the double? We got this in the hole. And when it's in the hole like that, it is some good stuff. I'll just throw. And then I do like a little swirl and a little mush. We're just playing, right? Okay. Well, she leaks. My homemade one didn't leak, let's just say. Look, she's leaking. That sounds like a personal problem. So then what do we do first? We'll just take our paper. I love that you guys love these. I always get requests to make backgrounds and things. Okay, so I'm just pressing to really get up that extra color. And then look, got that page coming. All right, oh, lifted that up. Look, so we still see the green and everything. See, I love this when we're layering. Look at that layer. Okay, she's excited. Let's see what we got. Okay, all right. A little heavy there because she was leaking, but that's all right. We're going to dry it. Now, you don't have to use them over and over like this. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do this. I'm going to take some white. I don't know if I should stop it here and then just like forward through me doing a video. Maybe that's what I'll do. I'm going to come back. I'm going to stop it here. I'm going to come back and then we're going to play on here. But yeah, so you get the idea. We're just playing. You can make your own sprays. I mean, just with stuff around the house. I mean, you could really sit, if I had patience right now, and roll these up or lay them whatever way you want. I mean, look at this. These are fantastic. What do I do with my green? A bit of green there. I mean, look at that. But, you know, I mean, you could really start that background. And this looks as if I used stencils or stamps. It doesn't matter. Just, I like to go dark on the bottom and then work my way up. I mean, I do it all kinds of ways, but you can see, like, when you do the darker and you leave that white, we have a lot more white to fill in. So let me know down below what you guys think. I love doing this, playing with garbage at home. How do you not love it? I could go hours and hours playing with garbage at home. So who knows? Maybe I'll do another one. Let me know down below if you'd like to see another one. And as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. Do me a favor. My husband put up a new video. He's doing watercolor. It came out so nice that he's like so in love with watercolor. I'm going to link him. I'm going to try to link him up around here at the end of the video. I'm going to link him down below. It's Dave Tries. And please, I would appreciate it greatly if you guys would go watch that video for me and leave him a thumbs up. I don't know how many of you guys know this. I know I say this all the time, but, you know, we lost our son and the depression in my home goes up and down. And He's just in a bad way, and I'm really trying to encourage him to continue doing videos and art just to feel, proud of something that he's done and to use art as a type of therapy. He's really good at a lot of things, but he just does not have that confidence. So I would really appreciate it. It would mean the world to me. So anyway, be kind, wash your hands, and enjoy all the wonderful channels that are on YouTube to keep you entertained. I'm going to come back and do this, but we'll pretend like I didn't. All right, I'll see you later. Bye bye.